Let's talk about food groups. Fruits are a food group. What is your favorite fruit? Vegetables are a food group. What is your favorite vegetable? Grains are a food group. What is your favorite grain? Proteins are a food group. What is your favorite protein? Dairy foods are a food group. What is your favorite dairy food? What food group is this? 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 What do you need to do before eating fruits or vegetables? What's the most important thing to drink throughout the day? What are some ways I can eat healthy? Eat fruits and vegetables. Choose whole wheat grains. Avoid sugary foods and drinks. Which food is healthier for you? Which meal is healthier? Which meal is healthier? How does it feel to eat healthy? Keywords to learn.